Hello. Hi. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today's webinar. And myself, Ranjisha from Sterlo Product Team. And please note that the participants will not be able to unmute. Instead, you can use the chat or question box to post your questions or queries. So this webinar is mainly designed for business owners, managers, IT teams, administrators, end users, and anyone who is interested to know what is Sterlo. So we'll also be running a few polls during the webinar to make the session interactive. Here, today we are very excited to take you to the Sterlo to experience one step further. And as you know, mobile has become a part of work environment for the fast response and easier access to the applications. Mobile has been becoming a integrated part of our daily life. Okay, so to support these faster actions and to ease Sterlo applications into one single gateway, we are introducing Sterlo Go, the mobile application, which extends the Sterlo platform to experience to the next level. So in this session, we will take you through what Sterlo Go is. Okay, what is Sterlo Go and how it extends your existing environment, and what are the key features and benefits which of Sterlo Go, and what are the security aspects. And after that, we'll be running a quick installation demo which will be followed by some of the question and answers. Okay. So as you all are familiar with the Sterlo platform, I'll just have a quick high level. I'll be giving a high level overview of Sterlo. So Sterlo mainly is an AI-driven ERP native platform that is designed to build and run enterprise applications. And its no-code, low-code workflow automation allows the teams to design and automate the business process without heavy coding. Sterlo enables a faster application development, helping the organization to build and deploy enterprise solutions in a rapid way. It integrates AI capabilities while ensuring the enterprise governance and security. It also supports flexible deployment options like cloud, hybrid, and on-premise environment, and also integrate seamlessly with existing enterprise systems such as Oracle, SAP, and other platforms. Together with these capabilities, Sterlo is a complete ecosystem for building and managing the enterprise applications. And Sterlo offers a unified platform experience, so where users will get similar applications and functionality, whether they access it through web, PWA, or mobile. PWA in the sense progressive web app. And currently, Sterlo can be accessed through the web application and progressive web application. And now Sterlo Go is in mobile app. So the key advantage is that the users continue with the same applications, same tenant environment, and the same permission wherever that they have already gotten Sterlo. So here, now we'll see what exactly Sterlo Go is. Sterlo Go is a mobile application that brings all the Sterlo tenant applications into one single access point. Instead of installing separate mobile applications for each enterprise application, users can access everything through one app, that is Sterlo Go. So it is an extension of web and PWA platform which add a faster execution. And now it is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Now, what are the key features and benefits of Sterlo Go? So let us look some of the key features, like users can log in using their organization domain, ensuring a secure access to their company environment. And this app provides one uniform mobile experience, so users do not need to install multiple applications. And about the access is role-based, meaning each user only sees the application and features which they are permitted to use. With Sterlo Go, users can view tasks, approve the workflows, and manage activities just like you are doing in the web and PWA. And also, they also receive the real-time notification, all the updates, for approvals or task updates and workflow changes. All this can be you can get it through the notification, real-time notification, and can change the profile setting if needed. Okay, you can just access your profile setting, and a secure login, logout is also possible. All the changes in the profile setting, it is also possible. Now, how these features benefit both the users and organization. Here, the users can access their existing application on mobile without needing to redesign or rebuild them. Okay, you do not want to redesign or rebuild them. They also receive instant updates without frequently updating the mobile application. With mobile access in hand, the teams can respond faster, work more efficiently, and flexible in their daily operations. Now we will be having a poll just to know about which Sterlo features you like most. We'll just take us 10 seconds for that. The participants can please vote which features of the Sterlo Go interest you. Okay. So thanks for voting. And about the security, see, in every company, security is one of the main priority. And regarding Sterlo also, security remains a top priority in Sterlo Go. And all the communication between the mobile application and the Sterlo platform is encrypted for to keep the data very safe and secure. Okay, we offer a centralized governance policies, which means the same policies which is applied to the web and PWA will be applied to the mobile as well. You do not want to separate permissions for that. It is a centralized kind of governance policies. And after this, we'll be running a quick installation demo where we have taken a leave management as the application. Okay, in leave management, you can just see which are the details of the leave counts and how to trace the leave request and all, which we have taken for the demo. So for the installation, for the Android users can just open the Play Store and search for Sterlo Go. Just install the application. And after your launch, you can just open the application. Yes, this will be your opening stage. So here the users can enter your domain name. Okay, just enter your domain name and tap on the Go button. Yes. So here, maybe the person, the company which is having multiple domain names can just click on this home button. Okay, if you click on this home button, you will be again, if you want to change your domain name, you'll be again redirected to the first page, the domain page. So here, after entering your domain page, what you have to do is you'll be having some existing credentials. So that can be entered. So this is, if you want to change your domain name, you can just do that. And after that, you can again click on the Go button. So after entering your domain, you will be taken to the login page. Here, you can just enter your credentials and click login. At the bottom, you'll see the navigation menu. Okay. here you can just take the dashboard, workboard, and my task as you are already doing in the web application. So let's start with the dashboard. Since we are using the leave management, you will be receiving the details like monthly leave data, leave count, and all the employee leave records. And when you click on the workboard, here you can access different screen like entering your task or viewing your report. Here there is a leave submission form, leave requisition form, where you can submit the form. And next one is my task. And here moving to my task, the section shows all the pending tasks such as approvals or rejections or item that needed for the reviewer. Okay, here you can enter your signature, and with comments, just approve the screen. And these are the operation which is doing in my task. So you can also securely log out anytime using the profile settings. So about just click on the profile setting, just do the login and logout options. Just access it. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the Android users. And the same thing for the iOS users also, the same application, Sterlo Go, which is available on the Apple App Store. And the steps is exactly the same. Like you can enter your domain and click on the Go button. And after that, you can just enter your login credentials, which you are already having. Enter your mail ID and password, and just log into the. Upon login, you will be redirected to the login page. So this will be the dashboard. And here you can see the dashboard details of your respective applications. And on the workboard, the screens will be available. The requisition forms or task entries, all this can be done in workboard. And about my task, all the pending, as I already said, all the pending tasks. So overall, using the mobile application, you can view tasks, submit approvals, manage workflows, or access all the kinds of dashboards and reports. So this is a quick look at the Sterlo Go, the mobile experience, all directly from the mobile device, from your mobile device. So this enables a true work on the go capabilities. So this is so easy to install and use. And now about some system and network requirement. Like to use the Sterlo Go, there are some requirements like only existing Sterlo users can log in using their credentials, and which is supported on Android phones and tablets, as well as iPhones and iPads, and works best on the latest supported OS version. And for a smooth experience, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And here also, we will be running a poll regarding the security. Please vote for that. We'll have some seconds for the voting. So thanks for voting. And thank you. That concludes the overview of Sterlo. Now, we have seen how Sterlo brings all the works into mobile, very fast, very secure, and super convenient. If you got any questions, please drop them in the chat. We are here ready to answer. Our support team is there with you. And for any help, you can also mail to hello@sterlo.io. And we are here. We are very happy to help you. And also, before we close, let's take a 5 minutes, we just take a 5 minutes for the feedback, because your inputs really help us to improve the next session. For that, please scan the QR code given on the slide. You can just scan the QR code and let us know your what are your thoughts about the webinar. For the feedback session, we will take a couple of minutes. Just you can scan it and enter your feedback. Great. Yes, I see a few responses coming in. Thank you. See, if you haven't scanned the UR code yet, this is a great time. Your feedback exactly shapes our session, what to improve next, or what will be your expectation, because your inputs are very much important to us. So there will be some question which may arouse in your head, like, do we need to rebuild our application for mobile? Separate applications are needed. Actually, no. As I said, no. Sterlo Go automatically supports the existing application without requiring the redesigning or redevelopment. And about the security of the mobile app, all the communication is encrypted and governed by the same security policies which are used in your existing web and PWA environment. And also provided the on-premise customers can integrate and access the mobile login. And for the new credential, if you ask new credentials are you needed or not, exactly no. Actually, the users can log in with your existing Sterlo credentials. You will be having some credentials with you which are used for web application, which can be the same can be entered into the mobile application. Okay, and for the permission also, the same role-based permission will be configured in Sterlo to apply the Sterlo Go mobile application. So I hope you would have given your valuable feedback. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. So what we have to tell is, explore Sterlo Go and take your work anywhere and anytime. It is on your fingertip, and the works now is super fast and super convenient for you. Thank you so much for joining the session. We'll see you soon. Thank you.